Hello, my name is Angie Collazos. Creat Garagoa. Teacher Laura González. She has a candle in hers. They are listening. She is holding 3 babies. She is going hello. She is not sleeping. She is sing. They are not sad. She is dancing. He is talking with the toucan. She is not talking with the animals. She is using all her strength. They are not crossing the bridge. She is scared. She is not happy. She is bored. She is suffering. She is comforting her down here. They are in a house. She with her brother. They are not scared.